Flooding is a significant problem in the Philippines, especially during the rainy season. The resulting inundation can cause significant damage to property and infrastructure and threaten human life and safety. The Imus River Basin is highly vulnerable to flooding due to its low ground elevation, particularly along the coastal area in the lower reaches, and an insufficient channel capacity. This project illustrates the natural flood event in the Imus River and how it has a severe impact on the community. This is our diorama and simulation of flooding in Imus River. This has two parts, the reservoir and the community. When rainfall or heavy releases of water from high elevated areas, it goes down to the Imus River. This is simulated by the reservoir that fills up the river to increase its water elevation, thus causing a flood in the community. In reality, minimizing the impact of disasters like flood control measures takes time and a lot of budget to build. Here, we presented 3 ways to mitigate the impact of flooding. First is the drainage. If there is no drainage in the community, the flood level in the community would not be lowered. This prevents extreme flooding by collecting water and transporting it away from the area. In this diorama, we inserted a rubber plug which can be plugged on or off to remove the flood water. The second is the evacuation area. As soon as the water level rises and goes to the community, the people are advised to go to evacuation area. In our case, we lack efficient and safe evacuation areas, and some of them are far from other communities. By constructing a place that is elevated, we can reduce the impact on people. The third is the U-siphon effect. This was done by creating an inverted U-shaped PVC pipe attached to the side of the river basin. This concept is just like how a toilet basin works. This can collect water when the water level rises above the level of the tube, thus forcing the water to escape. The collected water can be used for agricultural purposes like hydroponics. By depicting the extent of the flooding, the diorama can help raise awareness about the urgency of implementing flood control measures and emergency response plans to protect vulnerable communities in the area. Through visual representation, people can better understand the impact of their actions on the environment and be motivated to take steps towards disaster risk reduction.